In today's video, I will walk you through how to enter prepayments in Xero. To begin, log into your Xero account and go to the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and locate the plus icon. Click on this icon to display the available transaction options. From the menu that appears, select Receive Money. This is the option you'll use to record the prepayment. After selecting Receive Money, you'll need to choose the bank account where the payment was received. Make sure you select the same bank account that actually received the prepayment. Taking a moment to confirm you're using the correct account helps keep your records accurate before you continue. Next, look for the Received As drop-down menu near the top of the window. Click on the drop-down menu to view the available categories. From the list, select Prepayment. Choosing this option records the transaction as a prepayment within Xero. Once you've selected Prepayment, continue by entering the details of the transaction. Fill in all of the required information for the prepayment, including the amount received, the person or business the payment came from, and any reference or description that applies to the transaction. Complete each field carefully so the transaction is fully recorded. After entering the information, take a moment to review everything you've added. Double-check the amount, the selected bank account, the payment source, and any reference details you've included. Reviewing the information before finishing helps make sure the transaction has been entered correctly. When you're satisfied that everything is accurate, complete the entry. Your prepayment will then be recorded in Xero using the information you've entered. Following this same process each time you receive a prepayment helps keep your records consistent and makes it easier to review your transactions later. By selecting the correct bank account, choosing Prepayment from the Received As menu, and entering the transaction details carefully, you'll maintain organized financial records within your Xero account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.